to be.
It's got a sign saying the master inside it. No, I don't mean that one.
Hey there, YouTube. It is Numistaka back with you on March the 1st, 2019. It was a crazy weekend last weekend. It was just so warm, and I hope you enjoyed those scenes of Bristol Harbour. And the ship you saw there was the SS Great Britain, built by Isambard Kingdom Brunel. But today we've got a little unboxing and also the launch of the special discount code for the Coin Connection for March 2019. And we know that this is going to be gold because it comes wrapped in very nice ribbon and tissue paper. But is it a large bit of gold or a small bit of gold? It's in a medium-sized box, and with the Royal Mint, that tells us it's a chunk of medium-sized gold. This coin comes from the Coin Connection, and one of the services the Coin Connection provide is a QA service for Royal Mint coins. So instead of risking getting one that you need to send back, which does happen quite often, more often than you'd think, they will actually take a look at the coin and make sure that it meets quality standards before sending it out to you. And you can see here, this is the RAF Centenary 1918 to 2018, and this is the coin that a number of people have really liked, which is the Lightning, the celebration of the F.35 Lightning II. Amazing aeroplane. And you get, as with all Royal Mint proof coins, collector's coins, you get this little booklet which tells you all the background and the facts and figures. And you can read up all about the history of the Lightning and who's using it. Tells you how it's operated on aircraft carrier, including the new Queen Elizabeth class of giant aircraft carrier. And altogether pretty technically sophisticated and amazing plane. And the people who fly these planes must be very, very special flyers indeed. So it also tells you here that it's a joint program of US and USA and allies, and putting a kind of joint combat aircraft into operation. Pretty amazing next generation aircraft, and one that a lot of people have an interest in these things will be wanting to collect. First one of these I've seen for grading, and I think it'll be interesting to see how this grade. It's an interesting design, and when you see the coin in a minute, you'll see just a few of the interesting design features they've put in this coin. You get the usual box. If you watch the video on the 5-ounce Raven, it's not quite as decorative. Number 52, and let's have a look at the mintages for this coin and see just how rare or otherwise it is going to be. So that tells you two things. There was 1918, of course, being a centenary coin, maximum mintage. In this particular presentation, there's 1,000 only, so there's another 918 unaccounted for, and I suspect there's going to be some kind of box set containing a number of coins that probably accounts for most of the balance of those coins. So before I show you the coin itself, we'll put the box back together, and then a word from the sponsor of this video, Coin Connection, with a new offer code giving a discount for March 2019. Pay close attention, coin lovers. I've managed to negotiate another special deal for you for the Coin Connection for March 2019, 2% off all purchases with the special code at checkout, Numistaka. That's code Numistaka. If you had a chance to watch the Raven video, which I would recommend because it shows a giant 5-ounce gold proof Raven, which is pretty cool, You'll have noticed in that video that quite often the coin connection will separate out the coin from the box to keep it safe, wrap it up very, very carefully separately to make sure that nothing happens and it's not scratched or ruined in transport. So that's part of the coin connection service, and they'll do that on any gold coin in particularly that you order from them, which is also wrapped up nicely in this presentation packet and kept cozy and safe until it gets to you. So let's have a look at the coin and see what we think of the design of the F.35 Lightning II coin 2018 RAF Centenary, 100 years Centenary, and what do we get for our money? So this is a £2 denomination gold coin. It's around about half an ounce of gold, give or take a little bit. One thing I particularly like about this coin is you see when they've done the lines at the back, and you can see clouds through them. So that's really, really clever use of design to actually get clouds to appear inside those lines. I really like the design of this coin. It's very, very nice, kind of fairly manly, and I think it'll appeal to quite a few people who take a close interest in these kind of things. So what do you guys think of the £2 format, the kind of half ounce format, double sovereign kind of format, that kind of size of gold coin? Is it something that you might buy? Do you tend to prefer kind of smaller or larger? Is this kind of somewhere in between, in no man's land? If you had a choice between this kind of size or diameter of coin and a pied-foot coin, which one of those would you choose? I'm really looking forward to hearing your comments about this particular coin, about the design, about the format, and about the value and likely potential of this coin going forward. So hope you like that, and remember to use the Coin Connection discount coupon if you happen to want to buy anything, and Coin Connection have it at a good price on their website.